Hi everyone, today we're diving into the world of web browsers. A web browser, or browser for short, is a software application that you use to browse the World Wide Web. But how does it work? In this video, you will learn what a web browser is and how it receives and displays content. Let's get started. A web browser works by sending a request to a web server and then receiving a response containing the content that is displayed on your device's screen. Here's how it happens, step by step. When you open your browser, there's an address bar where you input the address of the website you want to visit. This address is called the Uniform Resource Locator, or URL for short. The URL contains three main parts: the protocol HTTP or HTTPS, the domain name, usually the name of the website, and the file path, the path to the specific page you want to see. When you enter the URL and press enter, the browser and the web server communicate using the Hypertext Transfer Protocol, or HTTP. This process involves a request-response cycle. First, the browser sends a request to the web server using the URL. The web server, a special type of computer that handles requests for data, responds by sending back the requested web page. Let's use a familiar example: searching the web. First, you open a web browser and type the name of your favorite search engine, like Search.com. The name you type is the domain name. When you press enter, the web browser sends a request across the network to connect to the web server. The server responds by sending the search engine's web page back to your browser. Once the browser receives the web page, it renders it visually on your screen. The web page is a coded document that the browser translates into what you see and interact with. Now that the search engine's web page is loaded, you can interact with it. For example, type restaurants near me in the search bar and press the search button. The browser sends another request to the search engine's web server, this time with the additional instruction to search for restaurants near me. The server processes this request using its database to find the relevant data. The web server picks up the data and sends it back to the browser. The browser then renders the search results, showing you links to restaurants, a map, reviews, and more information. This whole process is made possible by computers having a conversation. You now understand the request-response cycle. This cycle is similar for many online activities, like chatting with friends, watching movies, or sharing files. That's a brief summary of how the internet works through your browser. Next time you search for something online, think of all the steps and data exchanged to complete your request. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Leave a comment below if you have any questions.